and supply, and then resistors available in the cross, and then there is series and switches available. Now it's open, and it's a VC also available. Okay. Now what they have asked means the first time the switch is closed at t equal to 0. That means at the beginning it's just telling that switch is closed. That means what supply is going on. Switch open means there is no supply, no current will go. Okay. There is discontinuity. Switch is closed means there is continuity, so that the supply will be going. So assuming that there is no initial charge in the capacitor, that means what there is no such any backup charge in the capacitor. So the current IC of t for t greater than 0. They ask the final question what they asked. Okay. So now I just have some case at t equal to 0. What t equal to 0 means at the initial stage what they say the circuit is closed, is it right? So I just make a close. So this switch is going to be closed. I just draw a diagram once again. So it will be Vs and I'm just going right here and just taking the R, and once again it will be having R available. So just join right here. What is told, switch is closed, is it right? So there is completely switch is closed. And then we have the small once again here. Once switch is closed means this VC also has become a completely way out of the way. So there is no such need of VC. So I can just say IC is just going clearly. So from this diagram, what do you say about IC means IC is equal to Vs. This is the Vs, right, divided by R as per the Ohm's law is equal to V by R, right? That's all. Now let me go for a t equal to infinity, because at any time, because infinity means you should not say that at a point time, not like the t infinity, maybe at some point, maybe 5 or 11 or 100 or 1000 at any point. That's t equal to infinity represents. Okay, don't think that infinity means undeterminate value, not like that. Okay, some higher value, that unpredictable, that is the infinity value. So here at t equal to infinity, what is that thing means? The capacitor, how it will act means it acts like open circuit t equal to infinity. Okay, because it has complete charge. Now it is open, no need to charge it, right? So it is having open circuit voltage source. So now I just draw a open circuit. So first of all, we just have a source, and then we have a resistance, and once again another resistance is available. So just name it as R. Here also it is R, is it right? And you have to make the thing as open. So there is no Vs. Okay, and here I is going on, but no such continuity. So here I is equal to 0, because look at this, there is no such continuity. I is equal to 0. So I'm going to just have another value by considering this two resistor. This is Vs, right? What does the thing means? Just take tau. Tau is equal to R dash. R dash, how I tell you means R dash is equal to R by 2, because you just get a 2R. If you just get in the parallel, you just get a R by 2. Okay. So this is the combination. In this combination, okay, suppose if two resistors are available in this combination, so if you get a parallel way means R dash, if you consider this point means it will be R divided by 2. Okay. So tau is equal to, automatically what you have, tau is equal to R dash means R by 2, right? So R by 2 into C. That's all. So this is the tau value. Now what they tell you means we have to just find out the final IC. So IC of t, which is equal to two things. First of all, IC of 0 in a positive way, and then we have to eliminate the IC of infinity, because we required the IC for t greater than 0. Is it right? So what do you have? It's a formula, e power minus t divided by tau plus IC of infinite. This is the formula. Okay. So what do you have? You will be having three things. What are the three things means? First you consider this as equation number 1, and you consider this as equation number 2, expression number 2, and afterwards you consider this as the expression number 3. So from all these things, what do you just think of? IC of infinity. Okay, so IC of infinity is going to be 0. This is what is going to be 0. Okay, so it is equal to IC of 0, you know, that is Vs divided by R. Okay, at the 0 you have a value. At infinity you don't have any value. Am I right? Okay, and you have e power, so this has become 0. Then e power minus t by tau. So e power minus t divided by tau means what? 1 divided by RC by 2. So automatically 2 comes to the top. Then into RC. Is it right? That's all. That's all the answer. So automatically what you have? Vs by R into RC. Sorry, Vs by R. Okay, this one you just take. E power minus 2t divided by RC amps. That's all that question. That's the answer. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.